Good afternoon. I'm here at the Hosh job in Nocatee. Let's have a look. We got some nice Sierra pavers with a 6x9 border with a nice little swale into the walkway. Now we're going to take a walk down our lovely path. Notice that there's no concrete packed on either side of the paver. That's not the way that we do it. So we're going to come out and take a little walk at the kind of a snow cone shaped circle. And we got our 30-inch fire pit. We got our 6x9 border. Kind of a clover leaf. If we have three sides. Got to get some more of this sand blowed off of here, but just want to show you another completed job. Notice how we kept the circle going all the way around, creating something defined. Y'all have a blessed day. We'll see you on the next one.